Gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, munini wa President ni kwatinda na Mbatuni yake. Mamwe ma maundu maria maririirio ari ndereti ya BBI na rita riri ticigie micemanio iria iratanyitwo gutabanio, indi ni bata wa ateti kwaga gwitikira ndereti ino itume mage gukinyaniria ituge inya iria merire muingi. Marahinyiriria o marenda riboti iria kurehe mogaruruku miturire-ini ya Kenya, no ti ya kuhinyiriria a Kenya na kuguna andu kiumbe.
We must have a balanced debate. It cannot be about leaders and positions only. It must be about ordinary people, their challenges, their opportunities, their economy and their future.
BBI is here with us. That's a reality. Tuko nayo. Na kile kilicho na mwanzo kiko na nini na mwisho. Sisi tungeomba, mimi maoni yangu, ikifika mwisho wa mwaka huu hii maneno ya BBI ikuwe iko nyuma yetu, tumemalizana nayo, ndio tuende kazi ingine.
Walete copies tusome tuelewe. Ile BBI ambayo inaenda kuongeza position, sijui regional government, sijui executive prime minister, hatukuona hapa Bomas hizo mambo ambayo wanasema.
No atongoria aria maranyita mbaru murugamo wa President Uhuru Kenyatta magatariria bata wa ndereti no kuri a Kenya na makiria muno gutigirira ati ni ateithiriria gukinyaniria maundu maria merire a Kenya hindi ya ithurano.
Ciana citu cioka cierira icoke na kuria turi. Muthuri ndarumaga ciana mathie merira aking'ara mauma na aria angi ni moke ni ciana citu.
Ngucanio iria ireyumiria gatagati ga ateti iguru rigie mirugamo yao ni undu utumite urugari wayo gwakiriria. No mwahu wa Tangatanga ni ugite ndugukorwo gika micemanio ya kuoya mawoni megie BBI toria kurabangitwo indi marithiaga micemanio iria bangitwo.
We will attend all rallies already scheduled and announced. We shall not and we do not intend to have parallel BBI rallies.
Nona makirugamagia micemanio no marenda kamiti kubwo iria gukorwo ikioya mawoni ma muingi micemanio ino no hogitiri kugacirithio kuria guothe micemanio iri twaragwo.
Everybody will have equal opportunity. We will ensure that everybody is given an opportunity to air their views regardless of their political affiliations and their divergent views across the country.
Muthia-ini wa kiumia giukite nirio mwahu uyu urabangite kwambiriria micemanio no mwena wa Naikuru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.